Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Afterpay with Cash App and check if you can borrow money through the Cash App. So let's get started. First, open your Cash App and make sure you are logged into your account. Also confirm that your Cash App card is activated and your account has an available balance. Next step, tap on the banking tab in Cash App. Here, look for the borrow option. Keep in mind that not everyone has access to this feature. Eligibility depends on factors like your account activity, location, and credit profile. If the borrow option appears, you may be able to request a loan directly through the Cash App. Now, if you want to use Afterpay, open the Afterpay app and go to Payment Methods. Add your Cash App card as a payment method. Once linked, you can use Afterpay to split eligibility purchases into installment, with payments being charged to your Cash App card. Just remember, Afterpay is not a direct cash loan service. It's a buy now, pay later platform that lets you spread out payments over time. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.